Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some unboxing videos for Record Store Day 2020, the Black Friday edition. This is Alanis Morissette, live at the London's O2 Shepherd's Bush Empire 2020. Concert, essentially she is doing Jagged Little Pill, and it looks like there's 3 other tracks on here, just hits, Thank You, Uninvited, and Wake Up. This is issued by Rhino and pressed in Germany. I'm a big Alanis Morissette fan, mentioned that on the channel many, many times. I'm actually looking forward to this. Yeah, limited edition of 7,000, celebrating 25 years of Jagged Little Pill. Seen her in concert once. She opened for Matchbox 20. I was a little disappointed because I went to see her, but she kind of had an abbreviated set because Matchbox 20 was a headliner, and I'm not a Matchbox 20 fan, so oh well. But let's see. That is the cover. And I mean, polyline sleeves, but there's no insert, nothing of that nature. Let's see what the vinyl looks like. Actually, it looks like this was mastered by Chris Bellman over there at Bernie Grunman Mastering. Really, really, really perfect looking vinyl. Not a mark, not a scratch. Super dead flat. I'm sure this is going to sound really, really nice. Looking forward to this. Alanis always brings me back to my youth with fond memories. Even though when I think of my youth, it wasn't all fond memories. But when I think of Alanis, I do. This is real clean and looks pretty flawless. This looks like it's going to be a solid release. I'm looking forward to this. I'll be playing this really, really shortly. All this stuff will be available online at our website starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time on Record Store Day. Check us out, www.theingroove.com, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel.